I don't think that's the right size, but I'm still gonna hold this up there. I could have lined up the drill with this to begin with. Oh, you know what? Look at that. It fits. Okay. So I'm gonna loop it in there. And make sure it goes all the way through. That. Okay. See, that's going to be how you work this blind right there. Oh, it doesn't work very well, does it? That's because it hasn't been used for a while. Now the thing is, that trim is so close to here, every time this gets turned, it's going to hit the trim, right? So I've got to cut that off. I got to smash this together, and so I have to cut off some of that lip. I don't know if my cutters are going to be strong enough to do that, but we're going to try. Let's see, before I figure out what else to use to cut it with. Yeah, I don't know about this. It might go. Well, I don't know if it's going to go or not. Maybe I can take that right there and grab it with my pliers. I gotta grab my pliers here. I left them down on the ground. I'm just gonna run the camera, keep it going. Okay. I can grab onto that where I scored it, and maybe bend this and snap it off where I scored it. You know? Looks like it wants to go. Try not to get in your way so you can see this. I don't know if it's gonna, there. Okay, it's snapped off. I just wanted to cut a little bit of that off. See, now I can take my pliers and bend this like an egg-shaped deal. Like that. Okay. It's not gonna be perfect, but it'll get you by, right? It surely will get you by. Yes, indeed. Pinched it just a hair too far is what I did. Okay, there. Okay, I think that'll work. That's all I can do. That's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. The other way is you have to take this whole thing out. You can look at that, pull it off. Usually this piece is on a rod. You can pull it off, and you have to order one that fits exactly that. Slide it back on, bring it back down, and all that. So in the meanwhile, if you want your blind to work, you've got to do something, don't you? Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to take this trim and snap it back on there. Come on. Boy. I thought I had it on there before. Okay. There. Okay. that's looking pretty good. Let's try it out, shall we? You still with me? I think you are. I was going to stop the camera a few times, but I thought, I'll just let her run so you can see in real time about how long something like this is going to take. There's your blind. There's your blind. And now you can twist this whichever direction you want. Okay. Now this one hasn't been running for a while, and so you just have to work at it. Let's see how that one is on the other side. It's twisted down at an angle, and I'll make this one down at an angle, about like that. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. It's better than nothing, and it's a blind way over here in the corner. This blind really isn't used that much, but we wanted to get it up there and get it fixed. There you go. 13 cents. Well spent. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.